Cambugahay Falls is arguably the best waterfall on Siquijor Island that is most famous for its tiered levels, striking blue water and freshwater cascades, all of which are surrounded by lush rainforests. Cambugahay Falls is located in Lassi on Siquijor Island towards the east side of the island and is around 40 minutes drive from Paliton Beach. There are a couple of options when searching for how to get to Cambugahay Falls in Siquijor, and they are by scooter, habal-habal, or tricycle. The first level of the falls features a large natural swimming hole and some man-made structures including rope swings, bamboo rafts, and a wide set of falls. Cambugahay Falls is a three-tiered waterfall with crisp and water-warm water originating from natural springs. Water from Cambugahay Falls is one of the most popular tourist spots in all of Siquijor.